Nagsalita ng Tagalog. Diba? So, ngayon, nagsalita tayo ng Tagalog, diba? Pero pag meron tayong mga gustong panoorin, gusto natin matuto, we want to really, be entertained, we do not go to the politics here in the Philippines. We find it very, very boring. I can't wait. Me, I have no patience. I go to the entertainment from Jamaica, tawag natin. Jamaica. We like being entertained from the politics in US government about over there, but not here. Here, we have no patience. Let's see. Salamat. Thank you, Lord. Lagi pong pangkain. Order niyo ako ng matcha. Gusto ko to. Send niyo ako Gcash po. Ay, 140 lang po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yun. So, you want to keep me here. Send na lang kayo ng donation sa shelter. Ayan ako. Puro ako puro ako dito. Alugbati. Lagyan ko kasi mukha ko ng alugbati. No makeup today. Para looking fresh. Yan. But anyway, ako as a beginner dito sa new journey ko sa health ko, sa mga myths, challenges ng health, diba, and wealth. Masasabi ko, parang, balik sa chapter 1. Okay? So, same life, almost na, sa entertainment ko, where do I go to learn history, right? I'm a student of life. Okay? But, me, for example, if I look for something that will entertain me, for example, yesterday, I go to YouTube, okay? But I don't go to the YouTube lately, of course, unless there's a scandal, there's a big issue, trending topic, diba? Trending politician. Normally, or on normal days, I would go to US. Okay? People. I feel binigay ko kayo dinuguan yun tsaka heart, banana heart. And if it's kasi Tagalog, pag Tagalog, pakaramdam ko